Hey guys, welcome back. Kyle Dittman here, Bullion RV, and today you guys are in store for the brand new 2024. It's the 21CE or 21CH from Grey Wolf, brand new floor plan. This is the first one out there. I couldn't even find a video or anything online to kind of refresh my memory or get an idea of what this is. So we're putting the first one out there for you guys. Fully hydraulic unit. I got the keys in my pocket, push button fob, sit in your truck, lower it, raise it, all from the push button. Don't have to get out and crank it anymore or do the side-by-side. So we're gonna do a great video. We're gonna get you on the outside, show you a couple of the cool new features out here, and then get you inside to do the walk around as well. So like I said, brand new to 2024 here. The first one we got, the first one I've seen. So let's get started. Up front, you're going to have a lot of the similarities are going to kind of spread throughout the whole line. So you got the nice scare light up front, keep those snowmobiles, four-wheelers in the middle of the blizzard, kind of keep those away, help people see you. And like I said, the fully GS trailer frame, fully hydraulic, push button, up and down. You got two 30-pound LP tanks on front. You got power hookups up front as well. And as we get around this camper, fish house is gonna be great year-round. Once you see the layout inside and what it has to offer, I mean, this thing will be great, like I said, year-round. Spots to pull your pins and place your pins when you got it going down, so you're never gonna lose those, misplace them. That's a really nice spot to just pull the pins, leave them there. Come around the back side, so this is a fully water unit. You got a full shower, water on board, sinks. You got your hot water heater here, fresh water connection, city water connection. So if you're at the campsite, hooking up all your water on here as well. As you can see, like I said, the fiberglass hung walls, scare light on the backside, blue LED lights. So just kind of all around 360 lights on here. So snowmobiles and the wheelers, or if you're on the ice in a snowstorm, are going to be able to see you. You got your tanks inside. Nice access door to get at it. Nice pull tank in here. Keep it indoors. Keep it out of the elements. On the back side of the unit, got this big, beautiful window. Keep your eye on the kids, keep your eye on the tip-ups, anything you want out here. Then there are a couple holes, so there's people sitting back here fishing, have really nice sunlight coming in. Backup camera on this unit coming with it for you. On the camp side of this camper, like I said, fish house, camper, year-round use. You got a really nice electric awning with the LED strip under there. Outdoor speakers, another front light out here. Awesome grab handle. Friction hinge door with the nice tempered glass on the front of it, makes it look really sleek. So let's pop in. So this is the Outdoorsman, so keep an eye on all the wood, the brighter colors, the brand new layout. This is a very unique one. First one I've seen with the front bedroom here. So a lot of the guys like to put all their weight up front, store all their gear up here. So with having the bed up front and be able to get all the stuff up here, that's really, really unique. As you can see, there's going to be storage up above. There's a spot for a TV, a couple cabinet doors. So we'll kind of show you that. We're going to raise the bed up here. Right by the bed, you got USB and USB-C plugins right here. So for all your devices. Another nice thing, if you got the bed laid down, you got the hole right down here. What's better than jigging in bed late at night? Maybe hook up a rattle reel to the side, have it drop down. You gotta come show them this, Charlie. I mean, even you got a bottle opener right next to bed. What more could you want? You could just lay in bed all day, fishing, drinking, eating pizza. My kind of ice house. So as we get this up, both these will kind of drop down, and this will create another little sleeping area here for you. This will jackknife sofa. That's going to be more of just like a couch kind of sleep in. Great table to kind of move around. You can fit a ton of people around this table. Pop another chair on this side. There is enough room on that back side to get it in there as well. As we lift this up, you're going to see where that TV can go. All your appropriate hookups, storage to the side. Nice fireplace, nice little cubbies with the little baskets that are in there for all your gear. So we'll kind of sneak around here. There is enough space on this backside, so for you freeze monsters out there, kind of like me, and need to sit in front of the fireplace and get that extra heat, right here is where you'd post up. Nice countertops for all your gear. And then again, good storage. And this doesn't really pass through, so it is just going to stop here. This side does come in a little bit more, so you can store a lot of good stuff right up in there. And like I said, you got these little baskets, so throwing all your goods in here and just be able to easy grab, pull it out of there, which is going to be nice for you. Batteries and everything are going to live, and all your hydraulic systems live right under this couch here. These windows are great. Have these really nice black window covers over them, so blackout, and then also for the wind and stuff too. It's that time of year where, you know, you got your friends with the older houses putting up the plastic, using the hair dryer. Same kind of concept, but you got snaps, so no more leaving all that tape residue, and, you know, just easy on, easy off. There are a couple holes back here as well. So you got 2 holes down here, 4 in the main area, and then 2 in the way back. So it's going to give you 8 holes in this unit. Like I said, when you're out camping, this fridge and freezer is huge, 10.2 cubic foot. The size of that freezer will hold a limit of anything that you're out fishing for. Got a really nice 3-burner cooktop with a little pizza oven. I'm that type of guy. When I go ice fishing, you got the fish house, I give you a call. Fish house is ready, holes are drilled, it's warm. That's when I head out with the pizza and the beer. So we all got a friend like that. So you just let them know, you fire up the oven when they're on their way, pop the first pizza in there, get fishing. Notice this is the outdoorsman, so again, notice all the wood. You can just, I wish this had the smell-o-vision. You know, you had that nice smell of all the wood and the cabinetries in here. It really makes you feel like, you know, you're out camping, and that I just really like that aspect of it. Ton of counter space, ton of kitchen space in here. So again, dueling as a camper in the summer, the fall, a deer shack, you know, hunting shack for the guys. You just have a ton of space in here. A lot of storage up under all the cabinets up top. Every hole is going to have a light at it. Minus the one in the kitchen, so you don't break it off. But what I like, you got the white lights, and then for you guys that got the lures, charge them up, you got that UV blue light as well. Kind of shut those off. We're gonna pop this off. So these cords, this does come with a spare tire, so that's what these straps are for, to strap down your spare tire right in here. Pop these off. You can notice that spray foam insulation on the floor for all of that Arctic package in here. AC for in the summertime. You got the AC unit in here. Speakers on the inside and outside, like I said, so you can kind of have the dual indoor-outdoor speakers going on. Ton of windows, ton of lights. We'll move you back. Some of the stuff that I haven't seen in a fish house before is, I mean, the amount of storage like this one has. So pantry storage, extra gear, storing your Vexlars, all that stuff up in here while you're not using them, getting them out of the way. And then you also have like a pantry storage in here, which is very unique. Really like that. Probably even big enough to put your auger or something like that in there. It's going to be really nice. And then on the back side here, you're going to have your full bath. So you have your toilet and your shower, your max air fan, everything in there. So this is where that tank is. So it does have a raise up to it. So if you are some of your taller folks, it would be a little tighter in here. But like I always say, if you're going into the bathroom to take a shower or do anything, you're going to come out better than you're feeling when you went in. So that's all the whole purpose of it. This has got a nice little bunk up here as well. So this unit will sleep about 5 people. There could be a way to kind of make this another sleeper back here, but 5 comfortably with this bunk up top here. Or maybe this is where you're throwing your extra gear. Hunting season, you can throw all your guns and all that extra stuff up here too. That would be a really nice spot. If you guys got any pets or anything that come with you and you put them in a kennel, this would be a really nice spot to keep it out of the way. You're not tripping over it. It's not in the main traffic areas. That'd be a great spot. You know, if you're having a fish off with your buddy back here, I got a hole, they got a hole. Maybe we play some cribbage while we're waiting. Maybe we can eat some of that pizza rolls, chicken nuggets, kind of sitting right here, sitting out the back window, watching our tip-ups in case anything happens there. I really like that. Lights under here. You got power, you got USB-C back here as well. So you got all that good stuff just like up front. You got it all back here. Blinds to you know, pull those guys down in case you're sleeping. We'll see under here. You're gonna have a lot more storage in the back as well, tucked up under these seats. So just a very cool, unique, brand new to 24, brand new to us here at Bullion RV. This is the 21 CE, or CH, I don't know why I keep saying CE, the 21 CH fish house with that front living. Never seen it before, really unique. I really like it. Again, my name is Kyle Dittman. I'm here at Bullion RV. Love to work with you. If you haven't yet, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out, helps you out to kind of get the videos to you as well. Give me a text, shoot me a call at 218-740-4964. Again, happy to answer any questions you have. Come down and check it out. We got gray wolves, brand new layouts, ice castles, galvanized frames, Arctic insulation, you name it, we have it. So give us a call, let us know we can help you out before everybody else comes and swoops them before that ice happens. So thanks again for watching, we'll talk soon.